Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TLauncher you are not logged into your Minecraft account. Alright, so let's begin. If you're getting an error that says you are not logged into your Minecraft account, don't worry. This is usually related to account authorization or username issues in TLauncher. So in order to fix the not unlocked into your Minecraft account error, you have to follow these steps. First of all, go ahead and open up your web browser on your PC. Once the browser is open, go to the URL bar at the top and type tlauncher.org, then press enter. This will take you to the official website of TLauncher. When the website loads, look at the top section of the page. Here, you will see the authorization button. Simply click on that button. Now, enter your TLauncher account credentials and log in properly. Make sure you are using the correct email and password linked to your launcher account. Once you are successfully logged in, go to the top menu again and click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, you will find an option called Username. This is the important part. Now what you have to do is change your current username. Just type a new and unique username in the box. Make sure the name is not already taken. After entering the new username, click on the Change button. After that, TLauncher will send a verification link to your registered email address. Go to your email inbox, find the message from TLauncher and click on the verification link provided. This step confirms your username change. Once your username has been successfully updated and verified, open your TLauncher again and log in. Now try joining any Minecraft server. The error should be fixed and you should be able to enter servers and play the game without any issues. This method works because sometimes the launcher fails to properly sync your username with the server system, and changing it refreshes your account data, and that's it. This is how you can fix TLauncher you are not logged into your Minecraft account. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.